This morning we're going to discuss the explain operator in MongoDB on queries. And what we're going to look at here is we are going to pull up the collection fast data, and we're going to search for where ID equals 2, and we're going to return a pretty format, and then we're going to call the explain operator. So what the explain operator does is it basically tells us information about the query plan. If you've looked at SQL Server, think about this as turning the query plan on, and you can look at those nice little images. But basically what this does is this kind of just tells you some information about it. And you can go through and you can look at what each of these fields means. But it's actually very useful to use excuse me, if you want to look and get information about this. Another thing to note is that another way to do this as well is we could call this, we could do dot and then underscore add special, and then we could do explain, and then we could do 1. And you will see that it also provides us with information. So that's another way to go about doing that. So the explain operator is basically how we get information about query plans, which is very important. It's also going to be very similar to what you see in SQL Server, except without the images. It's basically giving you detailed information about the query. So when you're looking at debugging queries, the explain operator is going to come in handy big time.